Your views are stuck because you are making these mistakes. And the worst part of it all is that most YouTubers don't even know that they're making this mistake. My name is Lucy from Lucy Tutor TV. I help YouTubers to grow their YouTube channel. So if you want more views and more subscribers, click that subscribe button now so we can grow to. Okay, the first thing is your thumbnail. Your thumbnail is the first thing that people see, and if your thumbnail is boring, people will not click, and thereby resulting your videos to have low views. If your thumbnail is boring, people will not click. But if it is not boring, if your thumbnail is sharp and good, people will click to know what the video is all about. So the first thing you need to work on is on your thumbnail. Try to create a very good thumbnail, a very good eye-catchy thumbnail to attract people to click on your video, to attract viewers to watch your video. No matter how good your video is, and you have a very bad thumbnail, that video will end up not getting views. Imagine all the stress, all the effort you put in making a very good video, and you are not able to make a very good eye-catchy thumbnail. Definitely that video will not really get the amount of views that you expect. So the first thing you need to do is always work on your thumbnail. I was doing these mistakes when I first started my channel, and I was really not getting views. I was like, what is this? So I have to really search and know what are those things I need to do for my videos to start getting views. And I found out that my thumbnail, I need to work on my thumbnail. So I'm bringing this to you today. If you really want to get views on YouTube, if you really want to make your videos to get more views, work on your thumbnail. Provide an eye-catchy thumbnail that even if people don't want to watch that video, for after seeing that thumbnail, they'll be like, let me click and know what this video is even talking about. From there, your views will be increasing. So number 2 is your title. If you put all the effort and make a video, and later the title that you gave that video is not good enough for that video, my dear, there is no way that video is going to get views. Based on experience, it has been happening. I have to really go and find out what is it that is making my people that are born, are they people that are born to make this YouTube money. But I found out that number 1 of my fault is my thumbnail, and the second is my title. Okay, so you need to construct a very good title. If you want that video to be searchable, your title needs to be among the things that your title need to be. You have to have a very good title, and always your video should be teaching people something. You should have a video that teaches people something, that people gain something from. If you make a video that people are not even gaining anything from there, my dear, nobody wants to waste their data for nothing. They will just leave that video and go to the next video, they will leave that video and go to the next video. So always make sure that your title, you construct a very good title and a very good thumbnail too, in order to grow your YouTube channel, in order to grow your views on YouTube. So number 3 is long, boring intros. In fact, long introduction of yourself can make people to click off. People just go straight to the point. Give people what they want to hear. Give them that thing that made them to click on that video in the first place. Some people go about saying, hi, my name is Lucy, hello, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how you struggle, all those things. For example, now we are creating how to get more. For example, if you're creating how to get more views on YouTube, just have to go straight to the point. If you have not been doing these things, you will not be getting views on YouTube. Instead of, my name is, you're welcome to my channel, Kiniko, people don't really, people will click off if you are not going straight to the point, if you are not telling them what they want to hear. People don't like wasting their data. Data is expensive now. So you need to give people what they want to hear. You need to engage them. You need to, make make them see the reason why they are still on your channel. Make them to see the reason why they are still watching that video. Make them to see the worth of their data. Make them to see the worth of their time. So the fourth one is, if you are not asking people to subscribe, to comment, like no view engagement. If you're not asking people to subscribe to your channel, if you're not begging them to subscribe, to add a comment of what they thought, what you have taught them, their own struggle, if you're not doing all those things, you will not be getting views, you will not be getting engagement, because comments, YouTube algorithm also uses comments to push people's video. When in your comment section engagement is going on there, you see your YouTube algorithm will keep pushing your video. But if nobody is commenting, nobody is liking, nobody is subscribing, you know, that video will not get views. So I want you to tell me in the comment section now your own struggles in this getting YouTube views. So which of these mistakes have you made in your YouTube journey? Tell me in the comment section so that I will know that I am not alone. So number 5 on our list is quality content. The type of content that you bring to people to watch matters a lot. For example, you scroll to YouTube and you want to watch a video, a movie, and you search for Nigerian movies, and when a movie scroll up, that movie, the intro is boring, everything is boring. My dear, are you still going to be in that channel watching that movie? You are not, because the content that that person brought is not even what you want at that moment. So number 5 on our list is quality content. Try to edit your videos very well. Try to make a quality content. Try all your possible best to make a quality content, to provide content that people, you know, who will like, content that will educate people, content that will engage people, content that is very bright. Okay, content that is very bright. What I'm trying to say in all these things I've been saying here is, if you are able to construct a very good thumbnail, construct a very good title, create quality content, you know, engage people, create content that engage people, create content that, you know, create what people really want to see. Don't make people feel like they are wasting their data in your channel or in your video. My dear, if you do all these things, your video will really go up. I mean, your views will go up, your engagement will go up. Okay, so tell me the mistakes you have been making in the comment section, so that I will know that I'm not alone, and also let's grow together. So if you find this video useful, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and comment your own problem in the comment section so we can solve it together. And if there is any other topic that you want me to, you know, make video about, you can also tell me in the comment section. I will make video about it. And if there is any question you want to ask me regarding this topic, say it in the comment section and I'm going to solve it. You can also watch my next video on how to get more views on YouTube. It will also enhance your learning. Don't forget to subscribe and like.